Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Spirit. She is a formidable stealth killer in Dead by Daylight, known for her unique ability to traverse the map unseen. Her power, Yamauka's Haunting, allows her to enter the ethereal plane, becoming invisible and intangible. This makes her incredibly difficult for survivors to predict, creating intense mind games. Mastering her phasing is key to securing quick downs and dominating the trial. To effectively use Yamauka's Haunting, simply activate your power to enter the ethereal plane. While phasing, you gain a significant burst of movement speed, allowing you to cover vast distances across the map in mere seconds. Survivors will hear a distinct sound cue when you activate your power, so use this to your advantage. Try to exit your phase near generators or injured survivors to catch them off guard and secure a quick hit. The Spirit excels at mind games. A common tactic is to fake a phase by briefly activating and then immediately canceling your power. This often causes survivors to panic and reveal their location. Always pay close attention to scratch marks and the sounds of injured survivors or generators. By predicting their movements and approaching from unexpected angles after a phase, you can consistently outsmart and down your opponents, keeping them on edge. When building the Spirit, consider perks that enhance her tracking and map pressure. Stridor is excellent, making survivor grunts of pain and breathing much louder, which is crucial during phasing. Discordance helps you find multiple survivors on generators, allowing for quick engagements. For add-ons, anything that increases your phasing speed or duration is beneficial. The Mother-Daughter Ring is a top-tier choice, providing a substantial boost to your phasing speed, making you incredibly fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.